Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Schedule A itemized deductions using H&R Block, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Schedule A itemized deductions using H&R Block, start by launching the H&R Block software or website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the section for tax deductions. Look for the option labeled Itemized Deductions. Click on it to open the Schedule A form. You will now see a series of categories for itemizing deductions. Begin with medical and dental expenses. Input all qualifying medical costs for yourself, your spouse, and your dependents. Next, move on to the taxes you paid section. Enter any state and local income taxes, or sales taxes if applicable. The next section is for mortgage interest. Provide the total mortgage interest you paid on your home. After that, add in any charitable contributions you made during the year. This includes cash donations as well as non-cash contributions. Next, look for the section on personal property deductions. Fill out any deductions related to your property taxes. Now, review any miscellaneous deductions you can claim. These could include unreimbursed business expenses or certain job-related costs. Check all the fields carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you've entered all your itemized deductions, confirm they meet the minimum threshold to benefit from itemizing. H&R Block will automatically calculate whether itemizing or claiming the standard deduction is more beneficial for you. Follow any prompts to complete your tax filing. Finally, save or download a copy of your completed Schedule A for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.